Venmo, a type of bank account or type of finance manager that you can simply use to send, receive, or transfer money worldwide, or pay or get paid, grow a business, and more. So, if you're a freelancer, then you can simply, that is the best website or platform for you, that is Venmo, that you can use in order to collect payments from worldwide to your local bank account, and you can also pay them worldwide where you will want. Now, what you will need to transfer, that is a Venmo ID. Whenever you will create a Venmo ID, that will be your link of transfer. You will transfer that to the sender, and then they will enter the email address provided by you to send you the money. What you will get in this, a credit card, debit card, or Venmo for 13 to 17 for age. Now, this is a big reason that why should you use it, because if you're under 18, if you're watching the video, you're under 18, so this is the best website or best bank you guys can use to manage your finances. Thank you so much for watching this video.